Yeah. Hello, hello. Oh my god, I have not. I just realized I have not fixed the vertical on this. I just realized that I have not fixed the vertical. Oh god, I will do that right now. Alright, guys. Why? Holy shit. I have not finished. I have not fixed this. Put it right here. And then the Godot. Trying to figure out where to put it on the vertical. Maybe here or something? This is gonna be too little for people to see, that's the thing. Is that not out of me? Where's my B-roll? Oh no, my B-roll's on top. My B-roll is on top. Okay. That's so weird. Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. How is everyone today? How is everyone today? Let me lower the music a little bit. Let me switch the music up to something instrumental. I just wish I could have something on a loop. Actually, I'm just gonna put the lo-fi music. The lo-fi, because it is royalty free, so I'll just put the lo-fi stuff. Because it is royalty free, so I can use it. It's video game music, so video game music is typically not copyright protected. Not like a lot. I can use it in videos. I'm good, chillin'. Good to know, Stu. Good to know. So today, as I mentioned in my little announcement on Discord today, we're going to work on the idle animation. We're gonna kind of polish the animation. I have to kind of like... I don't know. I have to adjust the line art on this a little bit, but I guess I'll do it on the thing. So anyways, where's the preview? I think I have like a preview thing, don't I? Let me see if I can pull it up here. Because I had a preview box, but I don't know if it's... Is it in the main folder? Let me see. Oh yeah, it is. So I do have a preview box. Let me pull it up. So I kind of fixed the... Oh shit, oh wow, okay, it pops up perfectly. Gosh, you motherfucker. Okay. So now it's on the ground. Yeah, so now it's on the ground and it walks. Well, it doesn't walk, it's just playing the walking animation, which is... We demand to know how the Tiffany day was. It was alright. Pretty boring at work, actually. It was pretty fucking boring. So there's something that I just don't like about this. Let me... Oh, okay. It's set up. It's set up perfectly here. But, actually, let's just put it there. I'm gonna just keep it like this high, because, like, I can just see it. I can make it slightly bigger. Yes. Yeah, there's some things like I don't like. I don't know if it's just the rendering of the image, because it feels like so jaggy. And I feel like either I have to make my line thicker. Like I'm thinking, do I have to make my line thicker? Or what's going on? Because I can make the line thicker, but I don't know. So I'm worried because I don't want it to like I don't want my artwork, when I do the artwork for like a character or something, to look very jaggedy. And this is just like a plain person, you know, and it looks kind of jaggedy. So I don't know. I don't know if it works better if I put it in a 3D plane or in a 2D plane. I think like it's good either way. Either or, you know. Yeah. No, for this blue, yeah, because Streamlabs desktop apparently is smarter than OBS. And Streamlabs desktop says like, okay, if I don't find a file in this area, it must be somewhere else, and it checks somewhere else. It checks everywhere on your computer where your file is. So I can move the dolphin to different files, and it would still register. OBS, on the other hand, can't do that. OBS, if you move something from its original area in your files, it will not look for it. It will not search for it. It will just go crazy saying, hey, this is missing, this is missing, this is missing, this is missing. Streamlabs desktop does look through your registry, through the files, and looks for the files that were there originally. But it actually fucking does the job that it's supposed to do. Which I'm really, really surprised how well it does. But yeah, that's the progress that we made last week. I think that was good progress, but today we're gonna work on the idle animation. So I gotta get my drawing tablet ready to go. Ready to go. Oh shit. Just trying to get comfortable and moving shit around. So, I think once we have the idle animation, we can go ahead and, what's it called? We can go ahead and start programming movement on this thing. Like, I can actually move it with a controller. Like a game controller. I'm gonna test the game using a game controller. I never play fighting games on a keyboard. I'm not gonna program the game to be I don't know. I might have to look up how people play it on keyboard and mouse. I don't play fighting games on keyboard and mouse. I think that's strange if people do it that way. But I'm going to program it based on a controller, on a PlayStation controller, so. Yeah. Beep boop, program the Tiffy, yeah. I know that a lot of you guys don't know what I'm fucking talking about most of the time when it comes to this kind of crap. But, yeah. So, we have the walking animation, so we'll go ahead and delete that. And the next one will be... See, the thing is, I feel like he's way too big. He's way too big. This would be like the idle animation. The thing is, if we overlap it with the walking, I feel like I have to make it smaller. I feel like I have to make this animation way more small. like way smaller. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this up. And we're gonna go ahead and grab the idol. And we're gonna try and shrink it to like that. It's satisfactory. I think that's a good... Actually, that's a good point. I support Tiff, yes. Tiff, no, like big, nah. No, at least for it's just this model, I feel like it's just too big. So we're gonna go ahead and start... Let me get a file, call it... idle. And then we're gonna make a line art animated folder within this folder. We're gonna call it idle line. Idle line. Call that a day there. We're gonna go ahead and make this blue. So I don't get confused, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the backdrop so it doesn't hurt my eyes while I draw. And we're gonna go ahead and do our first frame. I'm gonna probably add maybe 2 or 4 more frames, based on my assumptions, but yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and add a frame there. I'm gonna go ahead and do the head. Go ahead and start lining this back way. I don't want to do this. I want to lower it a little bit. Delete this, because it's just one piece. Yep. I think once we have this idle animation, I think the game's gonna look the prototype character's gonna look a lot more smoother and it's gonna look a lot better. I can actually put a proper walking animation so I can move the character around the canvas, then I have to program the camera movement. I kind of want to experiment, and I know this might look weird because I'm doing it kind of like at the same line weight, but I kind of want to do more like a heavier line weight. Just to see how it looks in Godot, maybe I'll do 2 different ones. But, I don't know. We'll have to see. make it another color. Throw plushie, yeah. I'm gonna throw plushie. Go ahead and add another. So right off the bat, I can tell you that this is kind of wrong. Although he is intentionally lower. We're gonna go ahead and make the head. We're gonna slightly lower the head a little bit. And I want like a bobbing motion going. Slowly. Now, take off on and spin here, really great. It's too short, I feel. Like it needs to be lower. Actually, wait. No, I have it wrong. It's fine the way it is. And I just realized that this light just bends a little bit. It's fine. The legs, the feet never move from position. They're anchored to that point. They're always anchored to that point. I kind of gotta fix this a little bit. I feel like it's a little bit off. It's not straight. Not straight. I'm gonna have to do the same thing here. This foot too. That's like much more decent spots. I just noticed another error. This is wrong. It should be a little bit like that. There we go. That's better. Yeah, that's way better. And then I think these are the two. I think it's just 2 frames, honestly. Because I honestly just copied and pasted these. Maybe one more, or maybe a few more frames, actually. We're gonna go a little bit lower. We're gonna go a little bit wait. Let's see. Let me turn this off. So I say something. Don't like the spin, but yeah, we can go lower. We can go low. Yep. Again, draw the head, and then we'll go slightly lower. Slightly lower. That's too small. And the head, then we'll go slightly lower. I feel the arm is shrinking. the next round. Oh, the next rounded content is bringing it back cozy. Oh yeah. Again, like I gotta get back into grounded. I gotta the fucking time. I do not have the time. Like, there's so much shit that I want to do and I want to play many games. It's very precious, yeah. My time is very precious. Like, if I'm... Like, I do want to play games, so... More games and stuff, but... We'll have to see. But yeah, I wanna... Like, I have to be very curious when I play on stream, because, like, there has to be games that I actually want to play. But, like, I want to really play, Grounded, but, like, there's also other games that I want to really grind out and play. I think, like, we'll go back to Grounded very soon, actually. We'll have a stream for Grounded very soon. Alright, let's see how this looks. Let's take off the... I'm gonna take this off. I don't know, there's some, like, that little right leg, that other leg, the forward leg is alright, the bending is alright, like, I like that bending. But this other leg, man, I don't know, man. It's like it's kind of like growing instead of like actually bending. So like, this is wrong. Like, it should be like right here. Yeah, that's right. And then this one. This is wrong too, so we're... Go ahead and turn that on. I think that's actually it. Wait, it's like it's like growing. That's what I don't want it to do. Yeah, I actually want it to. Because the shoulder area really doesn't really move much, does it? So from here, this one should really have moved down slightly. And then here, this one should move a little bit lower as well from the original place. There we go. Yeah, I want him to like bob. That's the thing. Like, I want him to like have a little bob and stuff. Kind of like a little dance. But yeah. Let me run side by side here. again, I think I might have to start with the scaling again. The walking animation, the idle animation, and this other woman animation. Let me turn this on, and I'm gonna move it up a little bit. Right there. But I kinda want that leg to line up with the other leg. And then, it's like, it's gonna move from fighting position to walking position, and I want it to be smooth. I want it to be smooth. I want it to be a smooth transition. We're gonna go back to this one. And it's like weird. Hey, I think that's good. Well, we just need one more layer. And that's like the recovery layer, but the recovery layer can be just the same number too, I think. Now let's take a look at it. Turn this off. Okay. Alright. Go ahead and add another animation layer. Well, it's color. Idle color. Idle color. Idle color. Not idea. Idle color. He does the Tiffy dance. Yes, he does the Tiffy dance. And now we can start adding the color on this character. Next frame, add the color. Next frame. The thing is that it's easy to color these guys. It's literally just one color. Alright, we have ourselves a transition animation. So I kind of want to increase the line weight on this guy. So we're gonna go back here. We're gonna go back to the line art. We're gonna go ahead and grab this to increase the line weight. We're gonna just tap it slightly. I do one more. Hey, that's too much. I think that's a good amount. That's a good amount. I just want to see if the line weight will look good. It looks more pronounced, that's for sure. So I thought the walking was going to be a bitch to do. Let me go back to the walking line one. And on the line, we're going to go ahead and turn off idle. Go here. Go ahead and do one. We might import the walking animation again. Just to see if the... That's weird. Why? Wait, what? Why do I have two? Wait. This is literally the same. Huh? What the fuck? Yo! TV Moon, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How is everyone? Let me give you a shout out. But check out TV Moon. He does streams sometimes. Thank you for the raid. Welcome, welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. I'm making the sprites for my fighting game. We're increasing the limelight because, yeah, let me give you a shout out here. Because, what do I say? Shit. Slash shout outs. What was your TV. Moon. Let's check out TV Moon, please. Let's check them out. Welcome, welcome. Oh my god, you know what I realized? I didn't have the multi-stream up. So people could be talking to me on Instagram and YouTube chat or Kick, and I don't hear them. So I'm sorry guys, I wasn't looking at the chat for the other places. Sorry about that. Yeah, thank you everyone. Sorry about that. I always forget to change it. Alright, so this is done. I'm gonna go ahead and... What's this? Oh, I don't have... Okay, so I can delete this. I can delete this shit. So I don't use it. Alright, so, we're gonna go ahead and... export this. First, we're gonna export the walking again. Export animation. Image sequence. Image sequence, we're gonna call it... preset. Add a preset? Oh, let me get a file location. I have like an animation oh, here we go. Is it animation reference? No. Where is it? I made a file. I remember making a file. You know what? We're just gonna make a game sprite file here on my pictures, so it's just easier. I don't know where the other thing is. Game sprite file. We're gonna call this one walk. We're just gonna put this here. Select folder. And then we're gonna go ahead and drop this in. PNG, that's fine. Apply 2D camera effect. Do I want to do that? I guess so. Alright. That's done. So I have to get rid of the ones that I have on here. It's okay, I stream half the day with no audio. I'm not familiar of a streamer. It happens. It happens. It has nothing to do with being a failure. BTV Moon, man, it's just... it's part of the game, you know? Oh shit, you know, I rendered these with the stupid, gray background. That's no bueno. Alright, image sequence. Game sprite, okay. Yes, rewrite, yes. Alright, there we go. Now it's rewritten. You know, I fucked this up. Wait, I'm gonna delete these. I'm gonna re-export this. I keep doing this wrong, man. I don't know why, but I keep doing it wrong. We'll call this block. There you go. There you go. Now we have the walk PNG, and now... we're going to do the idle animation. Oh shit. Hold on. This is the idle. We're gonna go ahead and export this into PNG. No, not PNG. Image sequence. We're gonna call it idle. Same file. Perfect. Alright. Now that that's done, we can go ahead and close Whip Studio. Let me go ahead and close Whip Studio. I'm gonna go here in Godot. Make the spitter in my horizontal view. If he has pupils, yes I do. I really hope that the Tiffany line thickening really does help. I really do. Because it's really bothering me. So we're gonna go back into our prototype scene that we have here. Go ahead and save whatever we have. We're gonna go to animated sprite. We're gonna go ahead and delete all of this because we're not gonna use it. So we're gonna go ahead and delete all of these. Because we don't need them. So we gotta go to prototype assets, I think. I put it in prototypes. Prototype sprite, prototype block. We're just gonna delete this. We're removing all of these because we don't need a block prototype. That's apparently a lot of files. 28 kilobytes. Alright, so we got the prototype sprite, so we're gonna go ahead and clear it, and then I'm gonna make a folder called what? And I clicked on the wrong fucking shit. I always do. Click that off. Grab all these files and we're gonna just drag and drop them into this file here. And then we're gonna make another file for idle. I hope I spelled idle correctly. I'm kind of upset if I did not. We're gonna go ahead and grab all our idle animations and drop them in idle. Now we have our idle and we have our lock animation. So what we gotta do is, we're gonna go ahead and take this, and we're gonna go ahead and go to prototype. We're gonna go to prototype assets, prototypes. We're gonna go lock and we're gonna import all of these bad boys. We should have a locking thing. I remember that I increased the rate. Did I lower it? I think I lowered it. In duration. Why in God's name? It's too fucking slow. Although, I'll be honest, the lines look a lot better. I think thickening the lines was a good idea. I feel like... Speed scale? What the fuck is this? Let's go to 0.5. Oh, okay, that's how you control it? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and increase this. Oh my god, yeah, that's exactly... I feel like something's repeating here. You know what? I feel like maybe we only need one of each, so... 1, 2... We don't need a third one. feel like there's too many of the... As long as there's not bird. It seems to be only one of these. Oh, wait, I'm fucking it up. Wait. Go back to 0. Wait, oh shit, I'm fucking it up. What's the original? Okay, point 1. You know what? I fucked it up. I fucked it up. There we go. I need to select all of these. Wait, oh shit. I need to select all of these and then... kind of lower this a little bit. I feel like... there's something repeating here. I don't know. There's something repeating. Like 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm missing a frame here. Can I just duplicate this? Let me see if I can do this. Control D. No, wait. So, what am I doing? Alright, I kinda wanna make a copy frame. Case, okay. Okay, that is better. Now it's not skipping. Look at that. That looks really smooth. I'm not gonna lie, that looks really smooth. And it looks better than the other one that I had. Though I think thickening the lines was a good idea. Yeah, the thickening was a success. Yeah, for sure, 100%. Now, let me go here. Go to frames, and we're gonna add a new animation. We're gonna go ahead and call it idle. And what are we gonna do? Oh yeah, we're gonna go ahead and import not one. Let's go back to path. Let's go to idle, and we're gonna upload all these. Now, I don't know why, but I can't. So annoying. That does look good. I think maybe slightly faster, not that fast, but slightly faster. Let's see. Slightly faster. That's good. Alright. We have an idle animation. I wouldn't have the patience to do this. It takes a lot of patience, trust me. It drives me upset. It drives me up the wall. It drives me up the wall. You have no idea. Game development just takes so much. It takes so much. I'm not, by the way, I'm not keeping this collision shape because, like, it's just something that I'm gonna use for now, but let me go here. Let me go to animator. I kinda wanna transit. Like, I need to see what I'm doing. I can't see what I'm doing. And I can't lower this more than it is. Okay, I can just do this. I wanna see. Alright. Go ahead and say that. We'll deal with the sizing once we get this to work. But we want to go back to player. shit. Where's your body? What do I want to do? Okay, so we're gonna remove this. This is just not on ready. So what we need is idle. Not walk. Because walk animation only plays when I walk. So I want the idle animation to play by default while not doing anything. But not all the time. Because I don't want him to be idle when I'm in the air. Because maybe I'm not pressing buttons while I'm in the air, and then he just moves into an idle position. That's all I want. So we have to put this into a conditional later on, as we progress. But this is just a prototype, so we're just testing around what we can do and doing everything else. By the way, guys, I am no professional coder by any means. I just know a little bit of JavaScript, HTML, and C, some C#. I starting to learn Godot, GD script now. So I'm learning with you. Let's just take it as I am learning with you. I might know probably if you don't know any coding, I probably know a little bit more than you, but at the same time, we're both learning together. Okay, so I'm no professional. I could try and answer any questions if you guys have any, but we're learning together. I have barely made anything yet. It's really hard to start Masturbate Pro. It's very hard to start, and I'm gonna be honest, like, I'm trying this project, and I've been dedicating some time to it every week. Like, fighting game is not easy, by the way. Like, coding-wise, it's not hard. What's hard about a fighting game is just design. Designing a fighting game is just the hardest thing ever. Because you have to have unique abilities, unique tropes for each character. I am trying to aim to at least have 4 different characters. Like, I asked someone and they said to have at least 8 if you're gonna market it. I'm just like, nah, I'm just gonna stick to 4. I'm gonna have a little beta or whatever, or alpha, so people can test out the game with just 4. If it's a success, then I might add some, but I don't know. Like, we'll see how well I go and how much I progress. So, instead of talking, let's try to make this character fucking walk. I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of this. I don't think this... At least not yet, so... Let me go ahead and pass this. Alright, oh shit. What is that? We're gonna go ahead and pass that so we don't get an error. No, that's not what I want. No, that's not what I want. Why can I not? Oh, because I have it in English. When I code, I'm used to coding on my Japanese keyboard. I'm gonna switch it to Japanese. Okay, so that's export. Blah. Is it speed? What? I shouldn't say charge. Velocity. Sorry, velocity. We'll put it in France here, so Godot knows what it is. I think I'm gonna go with... Actually, wait. I could just do this. Velocity float. Or just use a float. So floats are basically like decimals. Like they're basically like very precise numbers. Like you have int, decimal. Those are like ints is like whole numbers, and then you have floats which are just decimals. Like, you can go 1.05 or something like that. Or I like working in floats better. For stuff like this, because I need to be precise to what I want, I rather work with floats. Why an animation sprite frame change? Why in animation? Wait, what? Why in animation sprite frame changing? Huh? Time again, what? Like I mentioned before, if I make a mistake, let me know. I am not a professional coder by any means of necessary. I'm not a professional game developer. I am learning. So, just so you know, I am trying my best. Though, but I am not coding this in the animation sprites node, if that's what you're asking. I'm coding this in the rigid body 2D, which is the player root. That's why I'm coding this. It says right there, extend rigid body 2D, not animated sprite 2D. And the reason why I'm using now the right scene animated 2D, wait, what? On the right scene animated 2D, oh, wait. Are you talking about this thing here? This is the building block. If you're talking where my dolphin is, this thing? So this is the building block of... I'll just show you, 1 second. Alright, let me close this, so you can see better. So this is my character, right? The reason it's playing the animation is because, I have it on play on the sprite frame. I can stop it, though. Let's put it on idle. Wait. Huh. Put an idle friender. On the right here, right? Or this one. Animated this one? Are you talking about this one? On the right, this one? On the right of the screen, animated 2... It's... Animated Sprite 2D. This is... The reason why it says animated Sprite 2D is because I have this selected. This right node, I have it selected, so I have... a rigid body, which is the top... Which is the root of the, of the model, of the player model. So this is the building block. This is the, how do you say? The foundation. Without this, none of the other stuff can exist. So I place a foundation. This basically just gives it physics. Like the rigid body gives it physics. So if I go to I'm gonna switch scenes. This is my player scene, by the way. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the prototype main scene. This is the game. So if I click on play, if it doesn't break, the player will fall. Do you see like the player falling like that? And it falls onto the ground because it's making contact with a collision, a collider that I have on the player and on the platform. I lowered the collision, the collider on the platform because I wanted to kind of give it that 3D feel. I want to give it like that 3D feel. And it looks 3D. The platform looks 3D, and I like it. So, yeah, so anyways, that's basically the root. It gives it its physics. I'm going back to the player node. This is the player node. So I have an animated sprite which handles all my animations I made. Let me move. I feel like I'm in the way. You guys can't see a goddamn thing. I'm gonna make myself slightly smaller. Slightly smaller. One second. Be right here. I think that nothing's important this way. I'll make myself slightly there. There we go. Let's move around here. Alright, so we have these things here. These are my animations. So I have one for idle, which are this is like flipping the page. Like flipping the pages. That's what it does. It basically like flips the pages and plays an animation. That's what it does. So this is your idle, my idle, and this is my walk animation. These are all my pages. So that's what this is in charge of. Animated Sprite 2D is in charge of playing these animations when they're called. And I give them specific names, so when I go to the code, I can call it. I can say, hey, when you do this, play this animation. When you do that, play this animation. And I can call it by using, I could call it either ways. I could show you guys later how I can do it, but I don't want to overwhelm you with, details. Then you want, what's going on? Then I have my collision. Let me go back to the scene. I have my collision node. This is a collision node. Dolphin here in the way. Let me move the Dolphiny too. Dolphiny's in the way. Damn it. Alright, so I have my collider, which is in charge of this, so I can change the collider and stuff, whatever. I can actually make it slightly smaller. So this is what collides with the stage, so I don't fall through it. Because if I turn off, let's turn off the collider. If I turn off the collider, let me save it. I don't want to delete it, but if I turn it off, will it work? I think it won't work because it's there by default. Yeah, it's there by default. I don't want to delete it, but if I deleted it, I would just fall right through the. Actually, I can just show you here. There's no stage here, right? So I can just show you here. So, oh wait, never mind. It won't move. Wait, wait. Will it do it if I turn it on? Alright, let's see. Oh no. Okay, that's weird. Anyways, just trust me. It'll fall through the stage because there's no collider. And the collider prevents it from going through stuff, basically. And then I have the camera 2D, which is another node, which is attached to the roof. Another camera 2D, and this one will just keep track of the player all the time. So when you move around, jump, the camera moves up a little bit. That's what it does. I haven't programmed it to do that yet, but it will do that once I get it programmed. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna say float equals. We'll do a reasonable speed, 200.00. 200.0. I think that's good, right? So now that we have this, we have our velocity. We're gonna have to do another function. I'm gonna start learning at GDScript from today. It's really fun. Like, GDScript is really, really fun. If you... I'm telling you, like, before you even touch GDScript, like, try to learn what a loop is, try to learn what a conditional is, try to learn the different type of variable. Like, try to learn all the fundamental stuff first. It doesn't matter what language you start with, I'm telling you. I thought it was important what language I used. It doesn't really matter. All of the languages work the same. The only thing that changes is like the syntax. The syntax is the only thing that changes. And GDScript is very similar to Python. So if you want to work with something similar to GDScript and you want to learn, you can try with Python. Python is very easy. It's basically English. Like, it's just English. It's like not even. It's crazy how easy it is. If you know Python, okay. So if you know Python, you're gonna love GDScript. You're gonna love GDScript. You're gonna love GDScript, and you're gonna end up hating C#. Because I ended up hating C# once I learned Python, and then I learned VB-script, and then I ended up hating C#. And I loved C# when I started. I was learning. That was my first language. I was starting to learn with C#, and then I was like, this is hard. Especially when I got to loops. And I was like, I don't understand what I'm reading here. I really don't. But when I started learning it and actually going through it with Python and like JavaScript, actually JavaScript is a messy fucking language, I'm gonna be honest. That's why everyone that learns JavaScript just switches to TypeScript later on. So, but yeah. If you know Python, you're gonna love VB-script, I think. It's very similar, extremely similar. So we're gonna need a new function. We're gonna call in a physics process. Physics process data float void. And look, we use the float for that. What we do? Pass this. So now that we have this, the reason it's yellow is because I haven't used the delta. But we'll use it. I'm guessing, if I remember correctly, I think I need to do a direction. No, that's not. No, yeah, var direction. Var direction equals get inputs. Does it get input? I think it's just input. Inputs. No, it's not. So let me check my project here. Project settings. Input back. Here we go. Oh wait. I have my documentation. One second. I completely forgot the dumb function for input. Is it get input or? I'm embarrassing myself now. I completely forgot the fucking function. Input of that, inputs. Input map. Is it input map? I don't think it's input map. Set process short right now. 1 second, let me just check the documents. Oh, here it is. Godot docs. Godot docs. Hey, wait, what if we're not zooming? Hey, wait, we're doing two. Wait. Dude. I just see the name of the do this. Oh, I have to make it. Sorry, my bad. I have to make the function. I completely forgot. Alright, we'll just pass this. Inputs. I can't do my thing. Okay. It's okay. No, not Wait, no. It's the right. Okay, yeah. Bar direction. Bar direction. Direction. Layer. Let's just follow direction. I don't want to, make myself go crazy here. Input is a, method, I believe. No, it's not a method, it is an object. So we need to get the method. So... Yes. Does it get access? It's... Oh, wait, am I using... Oh. I call it an object and I don't put it in capitals. I'm such a moron. Action, press, add joy mapping. Assert and drop. No, I think it's this one. Add joy mapping. Delete mouse. There. I think it's get access, actually. I really think it's get access. Keyboard chord? No, I'm not doing keyboard. I'm not doing it yet. I really don't want to complicate my life. I'm gonna test it with the with a PlayStation controller. I'm not gonna complicate my life right now, but I will map it. I will map it with the keyboard. Perfecto. I think it's joy, actually. For my controllers, let me go back to the documentation. Make sure it's the right one. Oh no. Oh. Shit. Am I going nuts? It's get vector. But with get vector, it's like, I don't think it's the right one. Yeah, I knew it. It's get access. I fucking knew it. It's get access. Get access. Fucking knew it. For get access, I think the left is the left and the right is the right. Left. And then... Right. Right. So, I'm just calling this right now for now, but... one second. Let's run back to my documents here. I will input this now. 1 second here. Left and right, yeah, I'm right. Okay. Okay. Then later I'll add a jump button. I'm not working on the jump button right now because I have to do the jump animation. I have not done the jump animation on my prototype yet. I'm just like trying to mix up a little bit of drawing and a little bit of coding and game development. So we can just wait. We can just do this in the physics process. We don't have to do this in its own thing. We're gonna go ahead and just do it in the physics process. I think it's just better. So we'll do that in the physics process, and then we'll do no velocity. Oh no. Oh. Okay, so we go here, object, and put settings. Just to make sure that it's in the thing. We're gonna add a new action. Add the off area. Left. And we're gonna have a right. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and map this. So left. Okay. And the good thing about mapping is you could just touch the button and it will get it for you. There you go. I will also add another one here with the D-pad, not the D-pad, the joystick. Oh wait. That's left. That's left. Oh, left stick left. Okay. Right stick right. Okay. I guess I'll do the WASD as well. We'll do left A. That's one. I think you need to make actions. Make action, not sure. Yeah, I do. Good luck with your game. I have to go. Alright. Thank you for hanging out. The 4-8 cool VODs. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I think it's saved, right? I saved it. Yeah, it's all there. It's all there. Left. Right is right. Okay. Direction is not declared in this. Oh, wait, what? Oh. Next. Velocity, I think. Velocity. Dot X equals direction times delta. Did I misspell something? I think I did. Direction times speed. Oh, wait, no, it's okay. Ooh, you know what? Sorry, my bad. What the fuck? What the fuck? Velocity is there. Velocity don't have equals direction. That's right. Identifier velocity is not declared, so I have to make a variable for velocity. Shit. Oh. Shit. Velocity. I felt like velocity was... Do I have to make it inside this physics process? I don't think so. I don't remember doing it this way. Hmm. The speed is okay. I did that correctly. Oh. Since it's not declared, like, velocity... Do I have to make the variable for velocity? I don't think so. I think that's like a built-in object in the Godot thing, no? This direction X. Shit, no. Direction X. Let's make 200s. I know. Process, physical process. Delta float, void. Character... Do I need a character body 2D? I don't think so. Uh... Linear velocity. Angular velocity. Linear velocity is a linear velocity dot x. Yeah. Direction. And speed. Alright, there we go. Then we add move and slide, right? Move. Wait, what? Move and slide, move and slide. I think I'm going nuts. Pajama is not found in base self. Move and collide. Next, said physical body to the move and collide motion vector 2 tests only both false, so the kinetic collision moves the body along the vector motion in order to be frame rate dependent motion should be compute using delta. Running kinematics research. Oh, that's not true. A few arguments. No, I don't think it's this one. Shit. I really don't know. I don't know if I should use it. I don't know if it's because I'm using a rigid body 2D and I'm trying to access the... Oh yes, it commands commissions, yes. Commissions are open for anyone who wants any commissions. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so maybe it's because I am using a A rigid body. So, I think that's the problem. I think I'm not supposed to use rigid body. Okay, so we'll change it. We will change it. Then that means, wait a minute. Wait a minute, what the fuck? So, explain, wait. I'm reading something here about fighting games. So apparently, fighting characters do not use a physics body. They are purely 2D, non-gravitational characters. They don't have a physical body. Like, they're not affected by gravity. It is coded within them to feel like there's gravity, but not really. Okay, let's just change the type to your character body. This might break the thing? I don't think I won't break it, but... Well, I guess that makes my life easier then. I think that, like, if it's not like that, then it makes it easier because I can line up things more precise. And now we could still use get access, but we need velocity, not this. Okay, I got that right. I got the function correct. Export for gravity. I can land. What equals oops. That's yes. And then I don't want to mess with the jump or anything like jumping. I don't want to deal with that right now. So we're not do any of that. So, velocity, speed, physical process. Is it physical process? Yeah, physical process. Void. Or direction, X. Good, let me go ahead and delete these. And then, my direction, X. Velocity. Get access. Velocities. Someone allowed it. Stop. velocity equals velocity dot x equals direction x times speed. Velocity dot x, direction x. I'm missing something. Ow. I know the problem. I know the problem. Let's just erase this. We're gonna erase this. I just realized I'm such a dummy. I switched the type, right? I didn't switch the extend. Now it's character body to be. There we go. Now it should work, maybe. There it is. There it is, guys. There is dot x equals direction x times speed. And that should be okay. And then if velocity dot x, I said dot x. I think it's, yeah. I think it's dot x. There's a direction. I think it's direction. Yeah, it's direction. If direction. I think it's direction. Direction is greater. Shit. I can't see what I'm doing. Where is it? Oh. The direction is greater or equal to... Should I use an equal? Nah, I'll just put greater than 0. Animations, right? Okay, I have it. I have it erased. I already have it set, so I don't have to worry about that. Animation. Animated sprite 2D dots. Lit horizontal. Equal. Less than 0. Not equal to 0, sorry. Not equal to 0 for the horizontal equals direction x. I think it's greater than 0. I hate math. I fucking hate math. Is it lack of hugs? Yeah, lack of hugs. Alright, so we got the direction. We're defining the direction. This is gonna take the input of the player. We're going to multiply the input of the player's direction plus times the speed that we have set here. We can edit it. If it's too slow, we can edit it. We have a gravitational, which we'll apply later once we add the jump animation. I'm not gonna deal with that right now. We also have a flipping mechanic, so if I turn right, it flips. If I turn left, it flips. And then we're going to do the last finishing touch on this. Obviously. I have to do another conditional. So, yes. I think, velocity, is it? Velocity. Yeah. Velocity. Oh, sorry. If velocity of x is greater than 0. It's right. The way walk. Ready will do. Ready we will do. One second here. The one I wrote before. It's going to be that way. I don't. There you go. Save that. And we're missing one final touch for the physics process. Move and slide. There it is. We have a move and slide, baby. Alright, so there is our beautiful moving code. So I'm going to test it out here. Hopefully it won't break. That's right. It flips. It flips. So I'm not to put an else. But it won't stop walking, that's the thing. It won't stop walking, it won't go back to idle. Alright, go back to script. What's wrong with my debug? Delta is never used. Okay, yeah, whatever. Okay? We'll deal with that later. I don't want to deal with it right now. Alright. Let me just do this so it's not a problem with the debugger. So, velocity walk, and then, sorry about that. Else. Go to the thing. Sense. Animated type. Wait, idle. I don't know if I should have this on ready. I guess it's fine. I should have it on ready. Alright, let's try it out. I think we did, even if we don't get this to work, Oh, wait. But it's not. Shit. Okay, it's moving this way, but it's not. It's not going for the other one. This is working. But it's not. It's not walking for the other side. What's going on here? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Man, I wanna get this to work before the end of the stream. Alright, let me see what it says here. Direction is less than equal. Wait, is it less? Ugh. Is this gonna fix it, really? Wait, does velocity go to negative? I think so. No way! No way that this fixes it. No fucking way. How is the direction using Godot? Is negative and left, right, positive? Yeah, left is negative, right is positive, correct. Do you see this axis? Yeah, negative, positive. Negative, positive. Negative, positive. Positive, negative. It's basic geometry, I guess. Like, if you took in geometry, you should know this. Like, basic. Yeah, basic maths. Alright, here we go. Well, gee willikers, we had it! Alright, let me see. I wanna see it. I wanna see it in an actual, in the actual thing. Where is it? Okay, so I'm gonna place this right here. I'll place it right here. Oh my god, wait. Wait, does that mean I need... No, I don't need to collect... Like, oh shit. So that means that... Wait. Does my stage need a collider? I don't think so. Okay, my stage doesn't need a collider. Let me go back to arena. I'm gonna delete this collision shape. Wait, what? Oh, okay, never mind. Let's keep it there, but... Oh. What is it? Alright. Let's see if it moves. Please move. Please move. Guys. I've never been so happy. This is... It moves. It moves. It moves. Of course, there's like a big problem with this. Like, there's some animation issues that I have to kind of like go back to the drawing board. But this is just a prototype character. It's not like an actual character in the game. Now I just have to add like a jump animation. I think, I don't know, guys. I kind of want to do a game dev stream tomorrow as well. Because I want to kind of increase this. What if I want to increase it to, let me increase the speed a little bit. I want to increase it to maybe, this is slightly, I know fighting games they're slow. They're not supposed to be fast. I mean like maybe 250. Let me save it. Let me play the scene again. Thank you for the follow, Shadow. Oh my god, it's another. That feels a little better. I love the bounce I gave him. We're walking. I feel like the leg. Like, move, like, it's okay, I guess. Now I have to get the camera to follow him. That's with the player global position and shit. But we'll do that next game dev stream. Actually, I can do it right now. Wait, actually, I can do that right now. ちょっと待って。Put a player here. Player script. Let's go ahead and do this. I don't know, is it in the physics process? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think maybe on already. Is it on already? I already have the camera today. I'm just checking my documentations here. It's with the global position. Ignore rotation. Enabled. Must callback idle limit. No. Oh. It's already enabled, so I have the camera, drag center, no, fixed. Is it fixed? No, drag. Anchor mode, wait. Anchor client, fixed top left at the camera position for blah 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 blah. Low position. Ignore rotation. If true, the camera render view. Wait, what? If true, the camera render view is not affected in its node to the rotation and. Oh, okay. I have to turn it off. So maybe I'll do it now? Let's see. Maybe? Oh, wait. Let's see. Nope. it selected. What's this? Oh, you know what? I haven't done this to the animation sprites. Wait, I probably did. Wait, never mind. Sure. Oh, nearest, yeah, I already did it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, we had a lot of viewers today. I really appreciate everyone being here today. I really do. Grounded, floating. No. Enabled on. Blanket. Well, true. All sets. Unsustainable mat. Visitors limits. Positions moving. Physics process. Alright, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna re-add it because I think I fucked up with something. Camera 2D. That was the one. Camera 2D. Flare camera. Apparently I don't have to script this. I'm like, I remember scripting it on my training game that I did. But I don't think I need to script it. Is it in the no? I think in the drive center fixed up left. Let's get this. There's nothing there. It's on. Lavender Town, yeah, it's Lavender Town. Lavender Town, oh my. okay. I think it's because I think it's because of the ordering. Sorry, my bad. Okay, now it should be okay. Let's go back here. Let's do this. No, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. It is not fixed on the layer yet. Wait, let me get to the edges here, see what happens. Nope. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. I'm trying to think. It's just dangerous. It's enabled. Controls when the viewport it cannot 2D. Is that the limit of the viewport? Oh. Yeah. Sorry about that. Is it gonna work? Maybe. Are you sure? I'm not sure. But I could be wrong. It's 9. Let's see if we got it to run. No. This camera does not want to work, man. This camera does not want to work. You know what? Oh, wait. Okay. That's a demote. That's weird. This wait, this. Let's see. Let's see. I'm tired. No. I think it's the canvas layer. I honestly think it's the canvas layer. I think I'm gonna remove the canvas layer. Because the canvas layer, like... Now it works, see? Now it works. I honestly believe... I was like, is it the canvas layer that was just like... yeah, no, it's not gonna fall because there's not gravity. Yeah, is it the canvas layer that was like preventing? Because the canvas layer, what happens with the canvas layer is that it keeps things in a certain frame, but since I have it fixed now, I have the camera. Now it's just focus on the player camera. So it's all good. It's like a shaky or wobbly, man. It's really bad animation. It's not the most smoothest. I don't know if it's just because it's not rendered or something, but it's just not the smoothest, man. It works out. I can call it today and say, hey, I made progress on my fighting game. My fighting game where I can't punch anything yet. I can't punch anything, but eventually we'll get to punch something. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it there for today. Thank you so much for hanging out. I really do appreciate all of you for being here. Thank you to everyone that's been here. We had a lot of viewers today. I'm really surprised. Maybe we'll do more development tomorrow. At the emote, no, this is a 1v1 fighter. A 1v1 fighter that I'm making is kind of like it's gonna be kind of like a Skullgirls style fighter. That's what I'm going with this art style. The reason is like this character looks so bland is because it's just a prototype character. It's something that I can play with and get used to the coding, get used to making it. And then I start making the characters and then the real stuff starts. But like, this is just baby steps right now. Baby steps. But yeah, it's gonna be like a Skullgirls fighter game. If you've ever played Skullgirls. With my own original characters and stuff. And like, little fun abilities. There's a few characters that I want to base some other like real life characters. I want to do some homages. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say. But really do appreciate it. I think we're gonna do tomorrow. Tomorrow, probably more game development. I enjoyed this a lot. This was fun. This was really fun. Now, there is something that I have to kind of like learn. Is like how I can put yeah, sounds fun. Thank you. I really appreciate everyone being here today. I really do. I really do. 17 people. I think I got like 20 a few weeks ago, but like this, it's been a while since I've had a good amount of viewers today, so I really do appreciate it. So before I leave, we're gonna go ahead and go raid somebody else that's doing game development on Twitch. Before I leave. So if you're not on Twitch, go to Twitch. We're gonna raid someone there. Because I don't know how to raid on YouTube. So, yeah. I don't think I can raid until I reach a certain threshold anyways. Because I think raiding's like limited to certain things. Oh, don't leave yet. I mean, we're gonna go ahead and raid someone. And I want you guys to spam them with emojis and do all the nice stuff. And, yeah. Oh, by the way, the point system works, guys. Use the points. But you won't be able to bonk me because I move. Well, you can probably bonk my horizontal character, but you can't bonk my... You can't bonk my, You can't bonk my thingy. Ugh. Same category. Similar size. Here we go. Someone is doing Godot. With Godot. Someone... No. Category. No, not category. Godot. There you go. Okay, we got someone with Godot. Oh! Solo dev, focus stream, answering questions. Oh, there we go. We're going to do this one. This person looks cool. Let's do this. Alright. See you guys tomorrow. We might do some more progress on this. I really do appreciate everyone. See ya. I love you. And I'll see you tomorrow. 7 p.m. Japan Standard Time as always. See you guys tomorrow.